Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at one of cult Polish vans. It is ZUK 11B, a minibus-based single-cab truck. Real cars were produced from 1959 up to 1998 on FSC factory in city of Lublin. ZUK minibuses and trucks were based on Warsaw, a passenger car that was licensed copy of Soviet Gazem 20 Pobeda. Result of 40s end car drivetrain mix with primitive box-shaped panel van, was a very cheap and easy repairable workhorse, but with lack of driver comfort. It was also exported to Soviet Union, where ZUK got its popularity too. Despite model's simplicity, it has a decent amount of details that clearly represents real vehicle. It's a pretty unusual vehicle for my collection, but it will take its place with other Polish-designed cars. Also, I know that ZUK vans were used in Latvia, and nowadays, there exist some abandoned examples, waiting for their restoring or recycling. Hope that you liked this video. See you in next model episode. Also, write in comments, what is your favorite Polish car?